If you're struggling to scale your LinkedIn outreach and wondering whether Waalaxy or Salesforge is the better tool for you, then this video will save you time and money by showing you which tool is the right for you. You see, I'm Sam. I reviewed hundreds of sales tools, and in today's video, we're putting Salesforge head-to-head with Waalaxy. We'll compare the senders, features, multi-channel outreach, pricing, and more. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform helps you book more meetings with less effort. So the first thing that matters the most is senders. Basically, how many accounts you can connect, because this determines the volume of your outreach. Waalaxy only lets you run one sender. That limits how many prospects you can actually reach. Salesforge gives you unlimited senders. You can connect your own account, your team's, or even your clients' accounts if you manage them. No extra cost, no limits. Both tools let you set up campaigns manually, which means building sequences of connection requests and follow-up messages step by step. Waalaxy also offers templates, so you can start faster without building from scratch. But here's a key difference. Waalaxy doesn't have a centralized inbox. If you're managing multiple accounts, you'll need to log into each one separately. Salesforge gives you a Prime box, one inbox for all accounts, and adds AI draft reply feature that uses your company information to suggest answers to your prospect. That saves you a lot of time when replying to prospects and increases booked call rate. Both platforms support LinkedIn and email, which is what you need for multi-channel outreach. But with Salesforge, the plan goes further. You get 10,000 active contacts, up to 50,000 cold emails sent, 1,000 personalization and validation credits, plus premium mailbox warm-up. With Waalaxy, you're more limited. You can do email and LinkedIn, but without the scale and extras. Waalaxy doesn't include a lead database. You'll need another tool to find prospect. While Salesforge gives access to LeadsForge, where you can search for lookalike leads, competitors' followers, and your ideal customers with AI. Salesforge also integrates with Clay, Go High Level, Slack, HubSpot, and more. Waalaxy doesn't list any integrations. Salesforge also includes unlimited mailboxes, free warm-up, and AI hyper-personalization in the same plan. Both platforms differ on white labeling too. Salesforge supports it, while Waalaxy doesn't. Overall, Waalaxy is cheaper upfront at $39 a month, but you only get one sender and limited features. Salesforge is $96 a month and includes unlimited senders, multi-channel outreach, built-in database, and the extras we just covered. If you're planning to grow, Salesforge ends up being better value. So here's the bottom line. If you only need one LinkedIn account and budget-friendly option, Waalaxy can work. But if you want to scale outreach, manage everything from one inbox, and get multi-channel outreach, Salesforge is a stronger choice. And if you want to see how to actually set up multi-channel outreach campaigns to get the best results, I suggest you take a look at this video. So see you there.